What is going on, guys? Good morning. It's like 6:40 a.m. and we're leaving for our supercar cruise. Not gonna do too much talking. I'll just pick up with the video once we've kind of met up with everyone. I think there's like 20 to 30 people going, something like that. So yeah, it's cold. It's like 37 degrees. I know that's not that cold. That's probably like 1-2 degrees Celsius, but for Arizona and where we're going right now, I think it's like -3 Celsius, like 20 degrees. So at least my car has heated seats and really good heat, and yeah.
Please don't open that cinnamon coke right now. No.
damn it, I forgot about him. I was trying to let them all pass so I could just like, just stop and just wait. That's our new house on you. Yeah, no, we're good. I just wanted to take a picture. I wish I could have pulled off back there up on the mountain, but there's nowhere. Yeah, there's nowhere to do it. So, oh well. Yeah, no, we're good. They're up there. I don't know, but so gorgeous. That was fun. I'm sorry I scared you. I'm sorry. Rachel, just look at me. I'm sorry. She gets really scared when I drive canyons, even though I'm not going fast. But yeah, that was fantastic. Probably not the best with these tires. These are our 888s. They're pretty shot, and they're also summer tires, so they're like, yeah, that's what they are. But yeah, really glad we came out here. It's awesome. We're not even at the destination. This is probably the best part of the trip. We're actually going to like a Mile High Grill thing or something like that to eat for lunch and everything. But when we were up there, we were so high up, and I wish we could have pulled off to take pictures, but everything's snowed in, or it's just, I don't know. Photos. Mister, are you recording? This is a little village. Is this Jerome? No, right?
I think so, yeah. There's the sign.
Oh, seriously? was ready to start ripping again because there's a 720 behind us. Let's see how good that thing goes.
Everyone's just standing there watching.
I don't know why. It's just an R8 meet.
Alright.
Up in Jerome, there's only so much parking. Keep rolling forever. Rolling. I want to hit him. I wanted to hit him. Oh, Tesla, hello. Yeah. Hit the curb. Look at that mountain in the distance, all the way in the horizon. Is that Mount Everest?
Really, nigga?
This place is crazy though. It's like, you saw, it literally reminds me of like some small mountain town in Europe, which I've never been to, so I don't know why it would remind me of that, but it's cool. It's like the road comes down, it loops, and it just keeps looping down there. Ooh, a tunnel! Over all my stuff. That's it for today's video. We're back home now. I don't know, maybe took a solid 2.5 hours to get home. Hello, Phoenix. Where are you going? You can't go that way. It's too narrow. You can't. She's still trying to go that way.
Wait, you want to go back?
She's like reverse. Oh, ow, stepped on me. Yeah, I still have a little stuff to do on the motorcycle. For anyone that cares, I got a new front sprocket, new rear sprocket, new chain. But the chain link didn't come with the connecting link, although it's supposed to. So on the way back, I had to stop at a Cycle Gear to get the chain link. And then I'll probably be doing the fork seals tomorrow, and then have new front and rear brakes, rotors and pads coming. So if anybody cares about that. But thanks so much for watching that video. Yeah, I got a little bit reckless in the mountains, but I just like to drive my stuff. Thankfully, this car is fully insured. So if God forbid anything happened, you know, I would actually get back everything I spent on this car, which is a very nice thing to know at the back of your mind when you're driving like that. But yeah, this car did amazing. I think something about 400 miles is how much I drove this morning / day, whatever. Luckily, technically, because of my motorcycle accident, my knee's kind of a little bit messed up when I bend, so I can't really do my Amazon job. So it technically, like, I got a doctor's note and I was able to have today off to be able to do this cruise and everything, which is awesome. Hopefully you guys liked it. I know you guys always like the driving stuff a little bit more because obviously all I ever do is work on cars. So it's kind of a breath of fresh air when I have actual content where I go out and drive and such like that. Yeah, it was super fun. Car did great. As I said, it got beat to shit. I mean, at some points it was cruising at like 110, 120 miles an hour for like 10 minutes on end, and just perfect. Oil temperature's perfect, coolant temperature's perfect. You know, awesome. Obviously we got a little bit loose on the mountain because these are R888Rs, just so you know, they're 100 UKG, whatever it's called, rating tire. So they're kind of soft compound, and it has to be like 50, 55 degrees Fahrenheit and more for the R compound to be able to actually heat up enough to use it. Up there in that mountain, it was probably like 30 degrees. It was freezing. So it didn't have the chance, on top of it being a little bit shot as well. That's kind of why I'm switching over to these wheels as well. Because like I said, these tires are almost done and these tires are still pretty new. So it lets me, you know, basically not have to buy tires for some time. But I'm gonna stop talking now. See you guys in the next video. I'm not sure what that video will actually even be. I really don't know. I'll probably order the wobble bolts tonight so I can get those JDM rays on this car soon, and then I'll probably be ordering coilovers in the next 2 to 3 days for this car so I can lower it a ton and improve the handling and all that fun stuff. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you like this type of stuff. As you guys know, I always like to go out and do a bunch of driving. Just haven't gone out. Lived in Arizona for 8 months and have never gone out of the Phoenix Valley, which is pathetic. besides on my bike. So I'm glad we finally went up there to North Arizona. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, night, whatever it is.